Join me as I challenge myself to see if investing just $5 a day really pays off in 2026. Investing $5 a day might seem like a drop in the ocean, but it's a strategy that's gaining traction, especially among young investors and those on a tight budget. The idea is simple. By investing small amounts regularly, you can build wealth over time. But does it really work? Many people are skeptical about investing small amounts of money, thinking it's not worth the effort. They believe that the returns won't be significant enough to make a difference. Others think that investing is only for those with a lot of money to spare. But what if I told you that's not entirely true? Building wealth isn't just about having a lot of money to invest. It's also about being consistent and patient. The truth is, investing small amounts can be a great way to start, especially if you're new to investing. It's like taking small steps towards a bigger goal. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to get started. But it's essential to understand that investing always involves some level of risk. You might not get the returns you expect, and there's always a chance you could lose some or all of your investment. So what's holding people back from investing small amounts? For one, it's a lack of understanding about how investing works. Many people think it's complicated, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of knowledge and the right mindset, anyone can start investing. Another reason is that people often prioritize short-term needs over long-term goals. We tend to focus on what we need today rather than what we want in the future. When it comes to investing $5 a day, you've got several options to consider. You could invest in individual stocks, but that can be a bit riskier. Another option is ETFs, which allow you to diversify your portfolio and spread the risk. You could also consider investing in a retirement account, like a Roth IRA. The potential returns vary depending on the investment, but historically, the stock market has returned around 7 to 8% per year. For example, if you invest $5 a day in a diversified ETF, that's $150 a month. Over 10 years, that's $18,000. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, that could grow to around $25,000. Not bad, right? Of course, that's just an example, and actual results may vary, but it gives you an idea of what's possible. There are many examples of people who've successfully invested small amounts and achieved significant growth. Take the story of a young woman who started investing $5 a day in a retirement account when she was 20. By the time she was 30, she'd accumulated a sizable nest egg, which she used to buy her first home. It's stories like these that illustrate the power of consistent investing. The key takeaway here is that investing $5 a day can be an effective way to build wealth over time, but it's essential to be consistent and patient. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy that requires discipline and a solid understanding of your financial goals. So, what do you think? Have you had any experience with small daily investments? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investment strategies, check out our next video where we dive deeper into the world of investing.